Hey everyone, Brian Davis here on behalf of REtipster.com. I want to just show you really quickly how to use Angie's List to check contractors. So let's say for the sake of this demonstration that we're going to do a toilet repair and you're looking for plumbers. And we are in Baltimore, Maryland at the moment. So you pull up these recommended plumbers and you can search for plumbers. If you already know of one, you can check their reviews on the website. So we've pulled up this company, Prime Plumbing, randomly here, who is well reviewed. They have an A rating with Angie's List. You can see the company contact, their address. You can pull up their phone number and write reviews and send them messages. Here you can see their ratings by other consumers, other property owners. And you can also read some of these reviews to get a sense of exactly what people are saying about this person. So here's a negative review. Someone left an F and said unsolicited referral. And then here's an A review saying installation was great, etc., etc. So you can also go back to the About section here, and you can see some of their general information. Are they licensed? Are they bonded? Are they insured? You can also see a list of all the different plumbing services that they offer here. So just a quick overview here of what you can look up about a potential contractor using angieslist.com. It's a great resource out there, both for homeowners and for landlords and real estate investors. All right, catch you next time.